from the 8th of the second month of 1442, Queen of Pentacles and Eight of Swords reversed with the Eight of Pentacles. With music and the bones of the matter, she is about to step into the night in almost full modesty. Who is binding her from harm and even knowing the dangers of being naughty? Refining your art is its own rewards as you become crafty. Learning and secretiveness will help you be steady. Victimizing leaves a pensiveness that can keep each side from liberty. Embrace nature and become full of a trusting generousness towards your body. And so what are your thoughts on that?
My thoughts, it came to my mind to come into oneself, to finally discover who they are.
This Druid craft deck is a bit it's a rather big deck. So what are your thoughts on
The thoughts on like the size of the cards.
Well, this particular variation of the Queen of Pentacles, what does that make you?
See, I'm trying to see it on my screen a little bit bigger. I apologize. Yeah, where is my? Okay, I can see a lot better now. I see a mother figure right there. She's coming to herself. She's found herself through acts that she had to go through in order to get to the point she's at and to come into herself. It's took her a while, but she's finally got there.
The Eight of Swords. Yeah. As I said, something about the afternoon light in here does not make this easy.
Yes, I understand. They're surrounded by little traps, but yet can easily walk away from that. Being bound by one's own chains, you could say, but being able to escape quite easily.
Well, that's kind of, especially the way they tend to depict it, like it's not like a crowd that's trapped her. It's like no one's in sight. It's kind of the Pip version of the Devil card, because a lot of the Devil cards are, you got these people that the chains, obviously something they can lift themselves out of, but they just
Right, exactly.
okay. Eight Pentacles, okay. It's the blacksmith guy.
The Eight of Pentacles. I see a doorway there's a doorway somewhere that can be opened. And they're looking for it. Yes, I see a doorway.
Two of them kind of unique looking amongst the group. Okay, so there's Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and